So today I'm making grilled shrimp salad. It's about a 3/4 cups of shrimp. There's some olive oil. You saw how I did that. We grilled the garlic, which is a staple. I add the deveined clean shrimp to the pan, some green onions to, because I like green onions, and we're just going to saute it. And so what happens is you have to cook this very quickly because you don't want the shrimp to become tough. And so I add in oranges because I like a little bit of a glaze on it, and then just saute it pretty quickly. This should only take about, maybe 2-3 minutes at the most. And then I have prepared my salad, as you can see, just with whatever vegetables you like. I like to always add red bell pepper because it's great for your kidneys. Greens are good for us. I serve it on this bed of lettuce, and that's it.